Hey y'all, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. Today's project, we're putting lights on the boat trailer. Let's get started. Alright, so this boat trailer also needs a little work. Got tires coming for it, and as you can see, we got some lights broke. One tail light on that side and a different one on that side. And none of them work, so I'm going to put some new lights on it. These new lights came in a kit from Amazon. Submersible LED trailer light kit. So we got a license plate holder, which we won't be using. Some reflector stickers. The lights themselves. Wiring harness. Probably won't need that. Mounting hardware. Some wiring hardware. And also some side marker lights. One down, 2 to go, 3 to go. Alright, so I got this side done. Then I got over to here. Realized this side doesn't have a bracket. So I've made one up out of a little bit of piece of angle steel. I'm going to weld that on there. And we'll have a place to mount the other light. Bracket welded on there. We'll get the light mounted too and wired up. Alright, so one side did not work. Figured out why. These wires are looking a little bad. So this is just an extension. I'm going to cut the plugs off both sides and just wire them together. This one wasn't long enough to plug into the truck, so I had to put an extension on it. So after all that, I did find a short on this side. So the wiring all the way up and down through there looks kind of iffy. So I think I'm gonna pull new wire through that side. Alright, got them all done. So there's actually, it came with some marker lights, and this boat had marker lights on the side of it. One of them's busted and one of them the wiring's gone out of it, so I'm not going to bother putting them back on. Say hi, Harper. 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 Say hi. What is this? What are you? Thank you guys for watching. Oh, sorry. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss another one. See you guys.